Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
UMLA ka Cleariat constituency uba Kyrmen shilla hene ka sngi habaya kren bikinong thok khubor habaya day bat ka Kyrmen foundation ulong ba umdan AA ban kren halor kani foundation namar ki kam balale kalong ka babyang bat ki badan ha kani ka kunhon ru ki de ki parlok baya jan bat u habaya day bat ka Kynthoh na uwe urang yele kai bau khlem yo jingiram na kalyang uba Kyrmen shilla ulong ba ulas ngo khuslai ban yo sngo ya kata ka khubor bat na kaliang ka jong u marmaru la kren bikinong penyat ka foundation padula yo ya ka jing pensai na ka secretary ka kong simi kong thiang halor ka ni ka Jingshah na kaliang ba Kyrmen ula Kyntu ya ka foundation bakam de ban kan randi ni diaw Mynsiem no tang na ka daw jong ka Kynthoh hindai ki de ban nang don ka Mynsiem ban ya trailang bat ban ya rap ya ki we da ka Mynsiem bashirham.
Actually, when it comes to Kyrmen Foundation, it's a coincidence. It happens to be the Kyrmen Foundation. My name is Kyrmen, so I'm very lucky to have that name where even the foundation name is Kyrmen Foundation. But there's nothing which I can claim that I am related to this Kyrmen Foundation. Yes, no doubt, those team from Kyrmen Foundation, most of them, almost all of them are my friend, very close to me. We are a good friend, and I appreciate the good work they have done for the people, especially in East Anti Hills, whatever service they have done. I really appreciate. I used to give speech good things about them, but after seeing that allegation, when it comes to there's one archery, there's one person who, the athlete who represent our district and our state, he alleged this Kyrmen Foundation that the Kyrmen Foundation has just claimed for what has been done for him. It's not been done. So I feel so bad to see that, and I even doubt the Kyrmen Foundation at the time. Then I asked him what is going on, why this thing happened. So they said we just wait, the right time is there for us, we will give it a reply if required. Then after seeing yesterday's reply from the Secretary of Kyrmen Foundation, I am satisfied. For me myself, I am satisfied that they are trying to do the best thing, the good thing for the people, because not only for that particular person, they have tried to do the best. They have tried so many good things in our district especially, but that allegation came out suddenly and then they replied it yesterday. But I believe that this is a learning process, this is a learning for them, so that the Kyrmen Foundation should be alert whenever they post any kind of when they announce any kind of help for others. It should be genuine. And yes, no doubt, verbally they have talked, but from now on it should be on paper. And then lucky, good to see that yesterday's clarification, they put it all with the recording, with the messages, so that with those proof, people now will believe them. Because there are time before these few days, people have started talking about Kyrmen Foundation so bad, which is, as per my knowledge and what I have known about Kyrmen Foundation, those people, when they form it, there's no intention of making money, because instead they spend their money. So now people start allegate them by saying that all these people now start earning money and then just show the reports that they have been doing this and then the money has not been distributing. So I feel sad, but I believe that the people of our state, especially those who allocated the Kyrmen Foundation, they are satisfied with the reply of the Kyrmen Foundation's secretary yesterday. If not, then I believe that the Kyrmen Foundation will give a proper reply if required in future. But I would like to request the Kyrmen Foundation, so what we feel the needs, especially to help the people of our state, wherever you can reach your hand, don't stop doing the good things, you keep carrying on. If anything can be helped from ours, especially the public, the people of our state, we will be there with you. And then what you had promised yesterday, I've seen that videos, you said that if still in need of us, especially that particular person, you still willing to give your helping hand. That is a big thing, a big heart. After the allegation, so you still want to give your helping hand if required, you mentioned. So I believe that this good heart of you, the spirit you have, will keep continuing that. The people of our state also will see that good things should not be stopped just with a small allegation. Good things should carry on from time to time without listening to anybody, because here I can say this, we are proud to have this person from my district, where he bring name and fame for our district, especially is Kyntu Hills, because very few we got a chance to have this argued who can show the world that they also are capable of when it comes to sport or anything when it comes to from us district. So this time we have Permiki, and I pray and I wish you all the best. May God grant you success, be with you always wherever you are. If anything in need of us, especially as a representative from our state, especially from Kyntu Hills, I believe that I will try my very best to give a helping hand. And then even Kyrmen Foundation, so what you have said, you are ready to help. I believe that you will keep continue doing for Permiki, and not only him, even for the others also, those who are in need of you. And whenever you have the opportunity, keep doing the best. So best of luck to everyone, especially Kyrmen Foundation.